Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Netlify forms for a no-code contact app step by step clearly. To set up Netlify forms for a no-code contact app, first, create an account on Netlify. Once logged in, click on the New Site from Git button. Choose a Git provider and connect your repository. After connecting, select the branch you want to deploy. Netlify will automatically build and deploy your site. While the site builds, navigate to your repository and locate the HTML file for your contact form. In your HTML file, add a form element with the necessary fields for a contact submission. Make sure to include data Netlify equals true in your form tag to enable Netlify's form handling. Add input fields for name, email, and message within the form element. Include a submit button to allow users to send their information. After saving your changes, push the updated HTML file to your Git repository. Head back to your Netlify dashboard and wait for the build to complete. Once the build is finished, visit your site to ensure the contact form appears correctly. To check form submissions, navigate to the Forms section in your Netlify dashboard. You will see a list of all submissions received through your contact form. Test the form by filling it out and submitting a test entry. Verify that you received the submission notification in your Netlify dashboard. For additional customization, explore the options for styling your form with CSS to match your app's design. That concludes the setup process for Netlify forms in your no-code contact app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.